Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. I hope that you're all doing well. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for your support and hanging in there with me. Today is the day. First, let me say, today is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Yes, I will. Today is March 23rd. Today is the day when I get my Sisterlocks cut. Now, I've shown you the length in a previous video that I would like to go back to. I chose my own picture and my own hair, not comparing myself to anyone else, but just choosing a length that would be comfortable, more comfortable for me, and would meet my needs at this time in my life. Last night, I decided to send a reminder text to Kim, because usually she sends a reminder text to me. Once I sent that text, she said to me, "No, your appointment is on the 24th. So I looked back in the text, in the feed where we were talking before, and we were definitely talking about the 23rd. We went back and forth for a little while, and she wanted to know if I could come in at another time today, but I couldn't. I have an appointment scheduled for the time she wanted me to come in. But I would not be far away from her. But instead of going into her this morning, I will be going in this afternoon. Right now, I'm taking down my braids from last night's braid band and shampoo. And I'm so excited. I've been excited for the last few weeks leading up to this. I'm looking forward to it. I don't know. I just don't know how I'm going to act. I don't know how I'm going to behave with my new length. But I am just going to look forward to the fact that it'll be exactly what I want, or even more than what I expect. I'm looking forward to it. Yes, I am. My hair will no longer be falling to my front down to here. Yeah. And I thank you for your patience as I made my decision while listening to the opinion of others. And you were just hanging and you were just hanging in there with me until this day. And there it is, my hair at this length on the last day of my hair at this length. Now, as I was taking my hair down, I realized how important it is to listen to the Holy Spirit speaking to you. Because this all will work out today as a result of me sending that text to Kim last night. I am looking forward to it, getting my hair cut. I realized, had I not listened, because I realized that the Holy Spirit is not just to make you shout, but to lead you and guide you in the way that you should go. And my way last night was to text Kim so I'd find out that she had the wrong date and so we could get it straight for today. And I thank God for that. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God for all that He is and all that He does in my life and through my life. And I will see you again soon. My last 360 at this length. This is a lot of hair, y'all. This is a lot of hair. Have a great day.